This lesson is on reduced fractions. Here we have an example 42 over 24. When you reduce fractions, always start with 2. Do not start with negative numbers. Do not start with 0. Do not start with 1. Always start with 2. Use 2 and continue to use 2 until it's no longer used. And then go on to 3. If 3 doesn't work, go on to 4. If 4 doesn't work, go on to 5, and so on. One more time. When you reduce fractions, always start with 2. Continue to use 2 until it doesn't work anymore. Then go to the next number, which is 3. If 3 doesn't work, go to 4. If 4 doesn't work, go to 5, and so on. So back to this example over here. 42 over 24. I'm going to start with 2. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Use 2 again. However, in the bottom it works because 12 divided by 2 is 6. Unfortunately, at the top, 21 divided by 2 doesn't work. So therefore, you cannot use 2 anymore. Now go on to 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 21 divided by 3 is 4. Until it is completely reduced, or from the original down to the smallest fraction. Okay, so one more time. This is our original 42 to 24, and this is our final answer 7 over 4. And the reason is because you cannot reduce anymore. This is the smallest that it can get. Again, start with 2. Make sure that it works. Once it cannot work, move on to the next number, which is 3. If 3 doesn't work, go to 4. If 4 doesn't work, go to 5, and so on. Again, reduce means make the number smaller. Okay, again, reduce means make the number smaller. Here we have another example. So 25 over 20. 2 cannot go into the top because it will give me decimal, but it's okay. But in the bottom, it comes out to be 10. So 2 doesn't work. Move on to 3. As you can see, it doesn't work because you get decimals. So we don't want decimals. Go on to 4. So 3 doesn't work. Go on to 4. 4 only works in the bottom, but not the top because it'll get decimal. And then go on to 5. 5 works on top and also on the bottom because 25 going to 5 is 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And this is the smallest that you can get. So this is our final answer, 5 over 4. So 25 over 20 is reduced to 5 over 4. Okay, so this is how you would reduce fractions, all fractions. Okay, so again, this is how you reduce all fractions. Start with 2. If 2 doesn't work, continue using 2 until it is no longer used. Then you use 3, and then go to 4, and then go to 5 until it is completely reduced.